Well, hey everyone, this is Shirish and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm back with another one of the amazing US universities, Pennsylvania State University, or simply known as Penn State. Penn State has produced many famous founders and CEOs of top companies. Herman Fisher, co-founder of Fisher-Price Toy Company. Eugene O'Kelly, former CEO of KPMG. Mark Parker, executive chairman and former CEO of Nike. Frank Smeal, partner at Goldman Sachs, who is the namesake of Smeal College of Business at Penn State, and many more such notable alumni are part of Penn State community. Like always, in this video, I will give you an in-depth view of the university and will decode the academic, social, and financial aspects of the university with my star ratings. And then I will offer you the most important tips and strategies to get into Penn State University. Make sure to listen closely as I will be sharing most amazing strategies to get into Penn State. And later, I will give you an opportunity to complete your application step by step using the most comprehensive college admission course known as the Successful Applicant. This course can help you shortlist best fit universities, write winning essays, LORs, and also apply to your top universities. This course is an absolute must for you to get into your dream university. So for all of you, the successful applicants, let's hit it up for Penn State. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta, and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges, and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. Penn State University is a public state-related land-grant research university established in 1855. It was created as a farmers' high school in Pennsylvania. It is one of the major research institutions handling teaching, research, and public service. Its University Park campus also made its name on the list of public Ivies. Penn State is the main public university of Pennsylvania. Located in the northeastern region of the US, the state comprises a lot of public and private universities providing top-of-the-line education. Somehow Penn State still manages to stand out. Penn State has more than 20 campuses spread across the state. The main campus is still regarded as University Park. The campus is about 7,000 acres located in a small city, but if you count the total of all the campuses, it accounts for about 22,000 acres. It's huge. The architecture is mainly mixed with modern and classical type. Most of the campus space is used for research. The most popular majors at Penn State include business, engineering, computer and information sciences, social sciences, meteorology, food sciences, agriculture sciences, and forensic science. Although I'm not a big fan of judging a university solely on the basis of the ranking, still Penn State is the top 10% universities in the world according to US News, QS News, and all other major ranking services. Alright, now let's move on to our next section talking about the right fit, starting with academic fit. No matter how you learn and work in whatever discipline you choose, you will emerge with the same Penn State degree. With 24 campus locations across Pennsylvania, including a graduate school, 2 law schools, and a medical school, as well as an online world campus ranked in top 10 nationally for online learning, Penn State's doors and resources are open to you no matter where you are. The academic climate is fairly competitive. Your academic experience is completely what you make of it. It provides more than 275 majors across its campuses, with 4-year degrees offered for undergrad and 1 or 2-year degrees for postgraduates. Through its undergraduate campus and world campus, Penn State provides students the opportunity to begin and complete a Penn State degree at one campus, transition to complete a degree at another campus, or complete a program completely online. The fluidity is for the convenience of all students. The most popular majors at Penn State fall under the categories of business, engineering, computer information sciences, and social sciences. Some other strong programs in the scientific and technical fields such as earth sciences, engineering, forensic science, and life sciences, as well as nutrition and family studies. Penn State's general education requirement for undergraduate consists of 45 credits that include several communications and quantification courses as well as humanities, arts, natural sciences, social and behavioral sciences, and health and physical education courses. There are department-specific requirements for postgraduate students, and it is fairly manageable if you have a similar undergraduate degree. So not a lot of requirements if you're applying for postgraduate degree. One helpful program offered at freshman undergraduate level is LEAP, Learning Edge Academic Program, which gives new students the benefit of a big university while making it seem small. Students in LEAP take a team approach by taking classes and living together. There are many semester abroad options available for students to take advantage of. Student Cell is always helping students with career-related opportunities. Penn State engages in collaborative activities with private sector, educational, and governmental partners worldwide to generate, integrate, apply, and disseminate knowledge that is valuable to society. This means the university has excellent resources, connections, and a lot of job opportunities, which is great. The faculty is accessible and engaging. There are many award-winning staff members. Some of the intro-level lecture courses draw up to 400 students at University Park. Yet most students seem to agree that classes are excellent and require your full attention. Most of the classes here are average to medium size. The classes are medium, but as I told you earlier, freshman classes can go up to about 400 students. So keeping all this thing in mind, I would like to rate Penn State with 4 stars on academic difficulty level, where 5 is the highest level. After academic fit, let's move to social fit. Social life at Penn State is very happening. Partying at Penn State is legendary, both on and off campus. It's a big university with a big culture. There are a range of activities that you can take part in. It's a state university, so most of the students will be from Pennsylvania, about 72%, but you will be able to blend in if you are lively and open-minded. You will have to become an integral part of the big family of 40,000 students at University Park campus who are filled with excitement and compassion. You will find a true sense of belonging at Penn State. There are tons of student organizations that you can get involved. Penn State is big on community service too. As for Penn State, find your niche with clubs and organizations, launch your business idea, or participate in the largest student-run philanthropy in the world. Keep exploring the experiences and opportunities you'll find as part of the Penn State community. So it's pretty inclusive. University Park students take advantage of picturesque and peaceful local by engaging in outdoorish activities like including skiing and snowboarding at the nearby slope, and sailing, canoeing, hiking, and renting cabins in Stone Valley. So it's an adventure-packed place. Penn State across all campuses have about 90,000 students in total, about 76,000 plus are undergrad, and a small part of remaining as PhDs and PhDs. Despite the size of the university, it's about 28% out of state and 16% international. It's fairly diverse, but you will get along swiftly if you arrive with a mindset to integrate. Housing is comfortable and located near the classrooms. Freshmen must live in the dorms, and it is guaranteed for 4 years. Most students say they love living on the dorms. 17% of men and 20% of women go Greek. Penn State offers great housing for graduate students as well. Living on campus is a great way to meet and connect with other graduate students in an environment designed to accommodate single students, couples, and even families. It's also a great way to learn and grow outside of labs and classroom. When you live with Penn State or on campus, you will have the opportunity to expand your network, connect with the broader campus community, make long-lasting friendship, and develop the skills essential for success in your careers. The meal plans here are always for everyone and available for everyone. The food is diverse and available in all sorts. The meal plans operate on a point base where you pay for what you eat. Many off-campus options are also available. Sports-wise, as a member of Big Ten, Penn State does include Michigan and Ohio State, both of which make great road trips. They have won more than 75 national team championships in the world variety of sports. Men's ice hockey, women's field hockey and soccer, and men's and women's track and field are recent conference champions. Penn State offers a competitive academics and good social life as well. I would like to give it 3 stars out of 5 in the quality of life at Penn State. Now let's look at the financial fit. Penn State falls in an average to expensive school category. You can expect about $28,000 to $40,000 in annual tuition expenses, depending upon the program and campus as well. The housing is about around $14,000 to $18,000 for most. As far as financial aid is concerned, there is essentially no financial aid available for international undergraduate students, yes. US citizenship or legal permanent resident is required for federal funds. Pennsylvania residency is further required for state funds. So scholarships are not available for international undergraduate students, but there are some department-specific scholarships available for postgraduate students. Overall, I would like to give it 3 stars out of 5 on the financial fit. Well, after exploring the fit, let's move to the most curious section on how to triple your chances of getting admission into Penn State with my special admission tips and strategies. The areas I'm going to share now come from my decade-long experience working with students for career and college admission. Penn State acceptance rate last year was about 20% overall, and for international students, acceptance rate is around 50%. The most important piece of the review of your academic record, so which represents your individual 4 years of academic development, like be it your high school or be it your college years. So make sure to work on your GPA. Although Penn State does not have a minimum GPA or standardized test scores used for admission, and emphasize there are no such things as cutoffs. but you must have decent GPA to get admission. The average GPA requirement for Penn State is about 3.5, that is about 32 to 35 IB points, or about 75 to 80% plus in the percentage format. Penn State's assessment of application material includes the academic scores, grades, levels of those courses, and standardized test scores. So level of courses are also important. So if you want to apply to engineering program, let's say, select high level in IB or take APs to show your prowess in higher level subjects. Average SAT score is about 1300 to 1450. For GRE is about 320 and GMAT is about 670. Penn State also considers additional factors that may include an audition, a portfolio review, geographical and cultural background of the student, and personal statement, and the activity list. Make sure to personalize the admission process through your essays and recommendations. Work on your essays to talk about you as an individual and your vision for future, and why you want to pursue a particular major at the university. Moreover, Penn State takes a hard look at the many roles you serve as a student, sibling, athlete, son or daughter, volunteer, or employee. Show diversity in your profile for Penn State. Assembling a class of students with diverse interests and experiences is a task that Penn State takes seriously. So diversity is important. Since Penn State is a big school, make sure to apply early. For undergraduates, students can apply to early action deadlines in November, and regular decisions are in January. And applications are accepted on the rolling basis even after that. The applications are accepted through common application. I would highly recommend you to apply early action round for admissions. There are some post-application formalities as well, like self-reported scores, so make sure you keep an eye on the portal even after submitting the application. As far as postgraduates and PhDs are concerned, applications are accepted individually department-wise. Popular postgraduate colleges are for Sciences, Engineering, and SMEAL Business School. Deadline for PG programs are between October to March every year. For transfer students, students transfer to Penn State in a variety of programs at all the campuses across the state of Pennsylvania. You will be considered a transfer applicant if you have completed high school and have 18 credits or more semester hours of college work at a regionally accredited college or university before enrolling at Penn State. In the end, to conclude, if you are active, fun, open-minded, attentive, and want to excel holistically, then Penn State is your destination. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to support my work by liking and sharing this video, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. If you want to get admission to Penn State University or other top universities, I would highly recommend you to check out this course on college admission, the Successful Applicant. I have created this course with 11 years of my expertise and helped thousands of students to get admitted to top colleges such as Harvard, MIT, Stanford, and other top colleges around the world. This course packs the most advanced college admission strategies for university shortlisting, profile building, essay writing, college interviews, and everything else that will make sure you get into the school of your choice. It's a sure ticket for your dream college admission. Well, thank you once again, and I'll be back with another amazing video for you. Till then, this is Shirish signing off. Take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.